Number 15, want to find the area of the shaded region here. So we're going to find the area of the whole big thing and then subtract the part we don't want, this little bit right in here that you and I don't want. We don't want that part. So what's the area of the whole thing? Well, it's just 10 by 12. So 10 times 12, it's 120. 120 square centimeters, we'll assume, minus the part we don't want. Now, the part we don't want, notice that's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-sided shape. This is a 5-sided shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-sided shape. Well, we're going to have to cut it so that we can break it down. Let's cut it right here across. Now, doing that, that gives me a 6 by 6 right here. So this is 36. So we're going to be subtracting 36, but I'm also going to be subtracting this guy, which is a trapezoid. Now, if the bottom is 10 all the way across, here to here's 3, here to here's 5, that adds up to 8. That means this has to be a 2 because 3 plus 2 plus 5 would add up to that 10 that the bottom says it is. So I know I have 2. Across we know is 6 right here. So we have 6 and 2. And what's our height? Well, all the way up is 8. And from here to here is 6. So this has to be 2. So we have a trapezoid that is 6 and 2 is the bases and a height of 2. So remember the formula for a trapezoid: 1/2 times its height times its base 1 plus base 2, the sum of its bases. So 1/2, height is always the distance right between the two parallel pieces, which in this case is 2. The bases are always your two that are parallel, which are 2 and 6. So it's 1/2 of 2 is 1 times 8, 8. So we're going to subtract 8 also. So we're going to do, for number 15, we're going to do 120 minus 36 minus 8. And that'll end up giving us, what is that, about 76? Yep, 70. Yep. 76 squared centimeters of space left inside there. And you got to be just careful because a lot of people try to act like that's a trapezoid, but it's a 5-sided pentagon, so we can't do that. Problem 15, final answer. There's 76 squared centimeters in the shaded spot.